Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza Horizon 3 on Android. First, understand that this popular racing game isn't natively supported on mobile. However, there are two main approaches you can explore to enjoy the game on your device. We'll cover both cloud gaming and emulation, detailing what you need for each method. Let's dive into the specifics to get you racing. Cloud gaming is a fantastic way to play Forza Horizon 3 without installing it directly. Services like Shadow PC or Ergpu provide a virtual Windows computer where you can run the game. You'll need a strong, consistent internet connection, ideally with a download speed of 25 megabits per second or more, to ensure smooth streaming. Don't forget to connect a Bluetooth controller for precise driving controls. Another method involves using a Windows emulator, like WinLater on your Android device. This essentially creates a virtual Windows environment. For a playable experience, you'll need a high-end Android phone or tablet with significant processing power and at least 8 gigabytes of RAM. Be prepared to spend some time adjusting the emulator's settings, as optimization is key to achieving decent frame rates and smooth gameplay. Before you start, always double-check that your Android device meets the recommended specifications for either cloud gaming or emulation. Remember, your experience will heavily depend on your device's power and the stability of your internet connection. Be patient, as setup can sometimes be complex. For an effortless clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link in the description, along with other great deals. Happy racing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.